Tired of stumbling over objections? Watch how Salesably turns Jeb Blount's LDA Framework from his popular book Objections into a powerful practice tool. I'll show you how we can create a custom rubric to evaluate your team's objection handling skills using this methodology or any other one. First, let's create our rubric. Click New Rubric and name it LDA Framework. Let's customize our scoring scale. Click Scale Settings and set it to 1 point for needs improvement, 3 points for meeting expectations, and 5 points for exceeding expectations. Now under Hard Skills, we'll add the 3 core components. For ledge, we'll define the behaviors for each score. 1 point for no ledge statement, 3 points for an effective but hesitant response, and 5 points for a confident and smooth delivery. We'll do the same for disrupt and ask. And then under soft skills, we'll add compelling using the same scale. Perfect. Our rubric is ready. Let's start a practice session. Click Practice and then Objection Handling. We'll select Sarah, a VP of Finance, and set her attitude to skeptical. We'll pick Your price is too high, something every sales rep faces. Based on what we've discussed, I think it would make sense to talk about moving forward with implementing our solution across your team. What are your thoughts?
I appreciate your thoughts on moving forward. However, I do have some concerns about the pricing. It seems a bit high for our budget right now.
I expected you might say that. You know, what's interesting is that our clients typically see a 40% reduction in operational costs in the first 6 months. Would you be open to seeing how these savings could make this investment a net positive for your budget?
While the potential cost savings sound promising,
Notice how the system has scored my response in real time, applying our definition of ledge. For more information, visit Salesably.ai.